Something wasn't right here. Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight, yeah. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me baby, cause I need to know. Because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. Oh baby, baby, the reason I breathe is you. Boy, you got me blinded, oh pretty baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me baby, cause I need to know. Because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, keep me baby one more time. Baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess, loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe you were here? Give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, that when I'm with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me one more time. I must confess, that loneliness is killing me now. I still believe that you with me. Give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. Well, hardly there, pluckers. An interesting lesson, don't you think? Britney Spears, Baby One More Time, on a single acoustic guitar, sung by a bloke. Sorry about the vocals, okay. So let's get to it. Oh, great. Oh, this is great, this. So we're starting off with standard tune guitar, but with a capo on the 3rd fret, okay. Puts us into the same key as the original song by Britney Spears, okay. So it starts off with this, obviously, drums, thump, chip, bump, chip bit, which obviously I can't do, so, but the guitar, or the piano bit, is that bit. What that is, what I'm doing there, okay, is I'm playing an A minor shape. I'm starting off with my pinky on the 3rd fret of, you don't have to be, you can do it with some other finger, but I'm using my pinky on the 3rd fret of the bottom E string, then I'm hitting the A string, and then I'm hitting the chord. So it's, and then I'm just doing some muted palming, resting the back edge of the hand here on the strings near the bridge somewhere, and just doing a sort of that sort of thing, okay? That's what I'm doing anyway. So, okay, so it's this. And it just repeats it another time, and then on the 3rd time the singing comes in. After the 3rd time you do it, the singing comes in, okay? So very slowly. Baby, baby, right, and then the singing comes in, right? And the chord sequence for the verse is the same all the way through the song, okay? It's A minor to E7, that's an E chord with the 3rd finger off, open 4th string, okay? to a C chord. You can play a simple C chord or a 4-fingered C. So you can play all 6 strings by putting the 3rd finger up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, putting your pinky on the 3rd fret of the A string, the 5th string. Then a D minor, and then an E7th again. So it's, oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight, yeah. Got the idea? That's the same sequence all the way through. The only thing that's different is the bridge section. Okay, so so this chord sequence is about 80% of the song. Okay, so we just go through that again very slowly. So through the words, it's A minor. Oh baby, baby, how was is E7th. Was I supposed to? C, no, no. That D minor, something wasn't E7 right here. A minor, oh baby, baby, E7th, I shouldn't have let you go is C, no. And D minor, now you're out of E7th right there, okay. And what I tend to do is to put that riff in, that bit, at the end of basically nearly every line of the verse. Okay, so it goes, oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Right, so what you do there, if you want to put that in, because I think it's really quite a strong part of the song, is basically when you hit the E7th, you just strum the E7th once. So you come out of that D minor, where it goes, you go through it very slowly. Oh baby, baby, was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? So it's one stroke on the E7th, then you hit that, put your 3rd finger up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, then play the open A string, 5th string, and then an A minor, and you're into the first line of the next verse. Okay, so it's baby, baby, I was supposed to know that something wasn't right here. Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight, yeah. Okay, then we go into the sort of pre-chorus bit. Show me, and it's the same chord sequence, okay? Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, cause I need to know. Because it's exactly the same chord sequence, that pre-chorus, okay? So it's show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, cause I need to know now. Because, and then we play the chorus, oh my loneliness, and that's the same chord sequence again, okay? Right. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe that when I'm not with you I lose my mind. Keep me a sign, hit me baby one more time. Now on the chorus, where it goes my loneliness, you come into it with that. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. At that point on the record, you don't do that. You don't do that in the chorus. Only at the end of the chorus, not in the middle of the chorus. Okay, so it's my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me with me one more time. Then you do that on the end bit, you do that riff again. And then you to the next verse. Oh baby, baby, the reason I breathe is you. Boy, you got me blinded. Oh pretty baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. It's not the way I planned it. Pre-chorus, show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, cause I need to know. Because chorus, my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. At that point it goes quiet, okay? So hit me baby one more time, and then what I do is just do that palm muting on the A minor again. So hit me baby one more time. Okay, and do that once, maybe the old pull up, and then second time, just a single strum on the A minor. Oh baby, baby, and then a single strum on E7. How was I supposed to? C, no. Then we got a fiddly bit, nice little fiddly bit, dead simple. After the C, simple, so it's single strums this bit. Okay, this is the part of the middle 8, okay, or middle bridge section, should I say. So it's A minor. So if you've done a couple of the old palm muting bits, baby, baby, how was I supposed to? C, no. Then what you do is this, just the top, hold the C chord and just the top 3 strings, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. So it's baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? These 3 strings, then the D minor strum, then the 1st fret of the 2nd string, open 2nd string, then an E sus4, that's an E chord with the pinky on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then the E. Okay, got that? So that's A minor. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? 3 notes, D minor strum, 1st fret 2nd string, open 2nd string, E sus4. So going through it at normal speed. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Okay, then what we do, we go into an F chord, okay? Simple F is fine, or an F bar chord, whichever you want, okay? I was playing an F bar chord, I think, so it's, so after it goes, oh pretty baby, then we go to a G, shouldn't have let you, then we go to a D minor 7th, that's like an F chord, but with the 3rd finger off, open 4th string, it's a D minor 7, okay, barring the first 2 strings on the 1st fret from the capo, and the 2nd fret from the capo on the 3rd string, open 4th, open 5th, okay, D minor 7, so so coming out of that, where it goes F, oh pretty baby, G, I shouldn't have let you, D minor 7th, go 2, 3, 4, 4 beats on that one, 2, 3, 4, then twice 2 beats of F, and then 2 beats on G, I must confess, and then to it. So let's just go through this again, where it goes, right, oh pretty baby, what was I supposed to know? Oh pretty baby, I should have let you go. I must confess, and then we go back to the A minor. After the F to the G, so it's 2 beats on F, 2 beats on F, I must confess is A minor. Fess, okay, and then we're back into the basic chords again for quite a bit of it. So it's as it goes, oh pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess, my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you Right, so that's the same chord sequence as usual. So it's A minor, where it goes, let me go, I must confess, that's my loneliness, it's killing me now. Same chord, A minor to E7 to C now. Don't you, E D minor still, and then you get, no, I still is E, or E7, and then you go back to the F, but this time it's an F major 7. So it's an F chord with the bar lifted up, top E string open. Okay, so let's just go from this bit again, whole bit from the Oh Baby. This is the hardest part of the song, I think. So, oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Oh pretty baby, I should have let you go. I must confess, my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still be F major 7, please, that you will be G here, give me a, then back, so that's F major 7th to G, then back to the F major 7th again, give me a sign, then D minor, hit me baby, and finally one more time. Right, it's a quick change there, so that's give me a sign, D minor, hit me baby, G, 1, E7, 1 time. My loneliness, then we're into that chorus bit again, my loneliness is killing me, okay? So, coming out of the bit where it goes quiet, so give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Oh pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you'll be here, give me a sign, hit me baby one, sorry, hit me baby one more time. My loneliness is killing me and I must confess I still believe, with you I lose my mind, give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. I must confess it's killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you'll be here and give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. End of song. Okay, so the rest of the song is basically everything you've done. Everything after the middle section is you've done already. Okay, it's the same chords as normal. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. My take on Britney Spears' Baby One More Time for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, have fun. This one was a bit of light-hearted fun. Okay.